Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about the new job updates, and this is a very latest job update, and many different companies are hiring for the freshers and the experience as well. So don't miss this opportunity and watch till the end. Okay. So currently SCL is hiring, okay, for the software engineer role, and it's hiring for the 2022 to 2025 batch. So last date to apply for this job is the 13th of June. Okay, 30th of June, and location will be Pune. So let's discuss about the responsibilities here. So here you have to design a solution that will resolve the customer business issues. Okay, to remove all the technical objections, as well as you have to manage and facilitate the challenging and the complex proof of concepts, and you have to understand the customer requirements and provide the solution to automate the infrastructure operations. Okay, and you have to build the scalable, redundant, and HAODR solution for the big fix. So these all are the responsibility which you have to perform. Okay, and requirements here like infrastructure management for big fix, from the implementation to operations, or the knowledge of the DevOps tool sets such as Puppet, Safe, and Ansible. These all are the requirements. Okay, custom software deployment and the application release lifecycle. So please go through these all the requirements. Okay, and here the key skills like knowledge of other system management and the security tools. If you have, then it's fine, and civil is a benefit. Okay, and you should have the good written and the oral communication skills, detail oriented approach to problem solving, and the self motivated and able to work effectively with the minimal instruction and the supervision. So please keep this in mind. Okay, and you should have an understanding of the CMDB. What is CMDB? Like a change management database. So those who are eligible and those who are good fit for this opportunity, so please go through these all the requirements, responsibilities. Okay, and if you are good fit, then please apply. For applying for this, just once you click on this link, I will add all the link in the description. From there you can directly apply. Okay, so once you click on the link, you will come to this page, and here below you can see here the apply for job button. So once you click on it, it will redirect to this company page. Okay, so from here you can update your all the required details, and then you will be able to apply successfully. So it's taking a little bit time. Yeah, so here you can see, you can just check here software engineer role, and these all the things, number of positions here one, and below you can see apply to job. So once you click on it, then they will ask the required details. You have to fill that all details, and then simply you will be able to apply for this job. Next update is from the Tech Mahindra. Okay, and it's a walk-in drive. So please keep this in mind. This is a walk-in drive opportunity, and it's for the experienced candidate, like those who have the 4 to 16 years of experience, then they are eligible to apply for this job. Location here like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Noida, and Chennai. So if you are interested, then you can please apply for this. So responsibilities like design and implement the AI/ML solution. Okay, and you have to develop and maintain the backend service using the Java or a Python, and as well as you have to lead the DevOps initiatives and manage the infrastructure automation on AWS. So these all are the very good responsibilities, and if you are eligible, then you can go for this role. Okay, yeah, as well as you have to collaborate with the cross functional teams to deliver the high quality service. So these all are the responsibilities. So apply for this. What you have to here send the mail on this email ID. Okay, and then you will be able to apply for this job, and this is a walk-in drive. So you have to just visit to the office, and then you will face to face interview will be taken. Okay, so please keep this in mind. Next update is from the Qualcomm, and it's hiring for the software engineer role. Package is up to 10 to 18 LPA. So this is a very good package. So here there is no any experience required. 2025 and the 2026 batch can apply for this role. Okay, key responsibilities here, like you have to develop and test the software for embedded system and the wireless technologies, as well as you have to collaborate with the cross functional teams on 5G and the AI projects. You have to debug and optimize the code for the performance. Okay, and participate in the code reviews and ensure the code quality standards. So please, you have to just follow these all things. Like you have to contribute to agile sprints and product releases. Okay, and stay updated with the latest industry trends in software engineering. So these all are the very good responsibilities. If you are good fit for this all responsibility, then this is a very good opportunity for you. Required skills like BE, BTech, ME, MTech in computer science, they can apply for this job, and strong proficiency in C, C++, Python. So please keep this in mind. If you are means if you have completed and if you are aware about this basic C, C++, Python, then only you should go for this opportunity. Knowledge of data structure, algorithm, and operating system is required here, and you have to be familiar with the embedded system and the Linux, and with the excellent communication and teamwork abilities is required. So please keep this in mind before apply. And for apply for this job, below you can see here apply here. So once you click on it, apply on the official website, so it will redirect to the Qualcomm page. Okay, so here you can see apply now button. Once you click on it, they will ask all the required details. You have to fill that all details, and then you will be able to apply for this job. Next update is from the Infosys, and it's hiring for the QA professional. Okay, but it's for the experienced candidate. Those who have the 4 to 20 years of experience, then they can apply for this job. So here responsibilities, like you have to design and execute the automated test cases using Selenium. Okay, and you have to perform the manual and the automated testing across the multiple platforms, and identify the document, track software defects and issues. Okay, and as well as you have to develop the test strategies and test plans for the complex applications. So these all are the responsibilities here. To apply for this job, here same way you have to email on this email ID, and then you can easily apply for this role. Okay, next update is from this for the junior QA engineer. Okay, so and its location is the Chennai. So here roles and responsibilities, like you have to execute the manual and the automated test cases across web and the mobile application, as well as you have to perform the API testing using the industry standard tools and the framework, and log, track, and manage defects in Jira with the detailed documentation. So you should also aware about the Jira tool. Okay, and collaborate with the developers and the product team to ensure the quality deliverables. So these all are the responsibilities here. To apply for this job here, same, you have to mail on this email ID, and then simply you will be able easily uh, apply for this job. And this is the Span Tech Technology company which hiring for this role. Okay, next update is from the Smartcom CCM developer. Okay, and it's for the pan India location. So this is a very good opportunity, but it's for the experienced candidate. They are looking for the 3 to 8 years of experienced candidate. So please keep this in mind. Here responsibilities, you have to develop and maintain the communication template using the open text expression and the X design, as well as you have to build the multi-channel communication solution for print, email, and the web channel, and integrate CCM solution with the guide via policy center platform, as well as you have to collaborate with the cross-functional team to implement the REST SOAP API and ensure the system integration. So these are the responsibilities. And the same way here you have to apply, you have to send the mail on this email ID, and then you will be easily apply for this job. So that's all for today. If you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.